Hello friends, and today in this video we are watching the modern dining table design ideas. The dining table is not just furniture, it is a place where families sit together and share the meals and talk about their days and celebrate festivals and create memories. That's why choosing the right modern dining table design is very important for both comfort and style. And today's homes are becoming more stylish and space conscious, and modern dining tables are designed to match this lifestyle. And this video I will share to you latest modern dining table designs and dining tables for the small and large homes. The material options like wood, glass, marble and metal. The dining table price in India and the major advantages of modern dining tables. So if you are planning buy your new dining table or upgrade your dining area, this video will help to choose the perfect one. See, modern dining tables improve the home interior look, comfort while eating, and space utilization and social bonding. Modern dining tables are not just beautiful, they are functional, durable, and space saving. Wooden modern dining tables. This wood is the most popular material in India. Its look warm, classy, and timeless, best for traditional and modern homes. Sesame wood or teak wood and ancient wood are commonly used. The prices in India: 4-seater will be cost 12,000 rupees, 6-seater 20,000 rupees, 8-seater 35,000 rupees. Advantages: a strong and durable and long-lasting and elegant look. Glass top and dining table designs. This is the stylish and modern choice. Its look of light and modern and premium, perfect for the small dining areas because glass reflect the light. The price in India 10,000 rupees. These advantages are makes the space look bigger, easy to clean, trendy design. Marble dining table design. This is a luxury and elegance. Its look premium and rich, best for the large dining area. The price will be starting at 30,000 rupees going up to the 80,000 or 1 lakh. Advantages are this are very strong and heat resistant and high end appearance. Metal plus wood combination dining table. It's industrial modern style. The price in India 80,000 rupees. Advantages are strong frame and modern urban look and long life. Foldable and extendable dining table. This is the perfect for small homes and apartments. The price in India 15,000 rupees. Advantages are space saving and multifunctional and ideal for the guest. Round modern dining table, another one. This is the best for compact space. The price in India 12,000 rupees. Advantages: no sharp corners and better interaction and space efficient. Before buying, the consider of room size, number of family members, materials durability, maintenance need, and interior style. Advantages of modern dining tables are stylish appearance, better comfort, space optimization, strong materials, easy maintenance, improve the home value. A dining table is more than furniture. It is the heart of family time. Choose the design that matches your home style, space, and budget. Whatever you prefer, wood, glass, marble, or extendable tables, modern designs give to your beautify along the functionality. And this video help to choose the right dining table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas. And thank you for watching this video.